Hey, Jim Starwalt, I'm here today helping convince you to come down to skate in the park. This is going to be really fun. It's right at Gelatin Park, which is right next to Central Park, right by the pool and the library in downtown Grayslake. So come on down January 13th between noon and 4. We're going to have music. We're going to have an exhibition with some figure skaters going on. Glacier Ice Arena is bringing them out. So that's going to happen right at noon. So get here right on time. We'll have fire pits out. There's going to be some free s'mores. Hopefully the weather's nice. If it's too warm, don't worry about it. The village has set up a refrigeration unit. The ice is always going to be solid. We'll have heaters to keep you warm. There's actually going to be a company here that does ice fishing charters. If you're curious about that and you want to check things out. So we'll see you January 13th. Be here at noon. Bring your own skates. Come on out. If you don't skate and you don't want to skate, it's still going to be a lot of fun to hang out. We'll see you there.